So what is up everyone? Today I have a really quite special unboxing for you. Stay tuned. So guys, this is quite a special day for me. This package, I've awaited it for something like 2 months. Why 2 months? Because it came from Russia. And I'm really excited to open this up and show it to you. So, how shall we go on? What we have here is my special unboxing knife. It is quite amazing. It has 3 blades and it is quite sharp as well. But we will just need 1 knife, so let's put 2 back and let's start the unboxing. So let's put this thing out of this box. Let's adjust the camera angle. There you go. Okay, guys. Let's come a little bit closer and adjust the camera angle. So first thing, let's have a look if there are any Russians out there. You can read what it says on here, because what it says on here is what we will find inside of this amazing box. It is quite hefty, I have to say. I wouldn't have thought that it would be so heavy. It has a few scuffs up here, but that's okay. Let's have a look on the back side. Oh, that looks quite nice. It has quite a military feel to it. It is metal, as you would expect, and this strap is leather, and I like that. I really do like it. So now let's come to the real part. Let's open this thing up. There we go. There we go, guys. So now what do we have here? This is something called a Fotosniper. It is quite a special product, reaching back to the Second World War. Yes, not this one I know, but the original one dates back to the Second World War, where it was used by war photographers, and this is a remake. It is an old remake. It is the FS4, so it is about from the mid-70s. We will have a look on the date later. Hope we can find something out there. So now let's have a look. What do we have? So let's start. Up here we have 2 different screwdrivers, one very small and one a bit bigger. Then we have 2 roll of films. Those are empty, I assume. Yes, there's no film in there. I'm not sure if they are, if you can take them apart. Oh, you actually do. That's amazing. So that is a bonus, I didn't know that. So you can buy bulk film and you can fill that bulk film into those cartridges. That's quite a lovely bonus. I really love this. I don't have those. I have a bulk loader for my grandpa, but I never had the cartridges for that. So that's really a nice bonus. I really do like that. So let's put it back there. So we have two. So we have two of those. We have, what do we have under here? A lens cap. I'm not sure what that's for. Hopefully we find out later. What do we have under here? A metal lens cap. I think for the main lens we will have to see. And by the looks of it, 3 filters. So let's have a look. What do we have? Okay, I see. We have a green one. We have a yellow one. And we have an orange one. They will fit the main lens. And they are in tip-top condition. I'm really happy about that. They will come in handy if you shoot black and white. And they screw into the top of this mount. So let's continue. What do we have under here? Nothing. Oh, I see. That is the pouch that protects the camera. So if you put it on there, the camera will be protected by this pouch. So let's open this thing up. I do know what is under there, and I really do like it. It is. Let's have a look. Oh yes. Now I have to show you that. We should get focus. Yes. Now let's go a little bit forward. Yes, there we go. So, this was the standard lens for the camera. So, when you don't use the big one, you can use this one. This is a Helios 44.2. Yes, it is a 58 millimeters f2. It is from the year 1973. I hope you can. Yes, you can see that if you look on the first 2 digits of the serial number. There it says 73, so it's from the year 1973, and therefore the entire kit comes from this age. So it is quite an old one. I have a few different lenses of this kind, but not one that is in such an amazing condition. It is buttery smooth. It works like nothing I've ever had in my hands. It is really amazing. And look at the aperture. It works like a dream. Hope you can see that. Yes, it is amazing, guys. It is amazing. And there's no fungus inside, so that really is a winner. I wouldn't have thought that this would be quite such a good example of this lens. Yes, amazing. So let's put it back. Let's focus out a bit. So what is amazing is everything has its own place and everything is screwed down, so nothing rattles. It really is a gorgeous design. So now for the main part, I will have to switch lenses. So, through the magic of editing, you are right back on track. So let's have a look at what we have next in here. So how do we get this off? Oh, I see. There is a screw down there, and we will unscrew this part. So, and now you get it why this is called the Fotosniper. Wow, that's amazing. It is pure metal. Really hefty. Really like it. And there you also can see how the design works. You have this lever and it pushes up this nipple. Can you see that? And that is what makes the camera work. So now let's take the big boy out. You have to screw out here. And after this, let's loose. Oh yes, we have it. We have it. Ah yes, I will have to take a better camera angle to show you that. So guys, what do we have here? This is the Zenit EC. It is an old manual camera from the 1970s from Russia. It is quite a special camera because it was modified, and the difference lies in that this down here, I hope you can see that, this is a push release. So if we cock it and we push down here, there you go, the camera works. Amazing. So let's have a look what we have. It has times from bulb 1/30th, 1/60th, 1/25, 1 to 250 and 1 to 500 speed. So no 1000 speed, but that's okay. Let's have a look if we can get it in focus. I should go a little nearer. Let's have a look. There you go. If you look at this number, you can see a different release date. It says on here 1978. So I assume the entire kit was released in 1978. Yes, 1978. So not as early as I thought, but not bad either. We have a light metering system. Not sure if that works, we will see. Yeah, we have an eyepiece for this camera, which will come in handy if we use it with film, which I want to do. Here on this side you can release it. There you open it. It comes apart, and there you have a look. Amazing. Just a little simple Soviet camera. So simple, but amazing at the same time. Okay, now let's continue. Let's focus back onto the ground. So put that aside for the moment. The first thing we have to do is we have to assemble the rifle, right? So we have the handle stick. That goes into there. No, we need this part. Oh, I see. So you have to screw this apart, insert it over here so that the edge lines up, and then screw it down. Simple thing, but doesn't rattle and works a treat. So that's assembled. Now let's continue to assemble. Oh, I haven't shown you that. I have to show you that. So this, my friends, is the specialty for this. That's why I've bought it. So let's focus a little more up and I will show you. This, my friends, is, let's have a look. There you go. The Tire 300mm f4.5. That is an amazing wide aperture for such a long focal length. It is amazing, guys, I have to say you. If you look in here, will you be able to see it? Yes, there you see it. This is the aperture. It is wonderfully smooth. It has a lot of, I'm not sure how many, I will have to count them, but in every aperture size we are, it will have a round bokeh, so that will be amazing. Yeah, so how to focus this? It has quite a neat feature. So we have here, down here is the focusing wheel. So you turn it and the front expands as you see. Really simple, but works amazingly well. The lens hood is rubber. Should work a treat. Feels really sturdy. So now let's talk about the back. Down here, this will be the mounting hole which will connect the lens with the sniper, so the rifle gun stock. So let's have a look at the aperture system. So let's stay in focus. So there you can see the apertures. So it has 4.5, 5.6, 8, there you go, 8, 11, 16 and 22. So now how to use this lens properly. Therefore we have to go a little bit out. Let's have a look. There we go. Okay, so to use this lens you have to do one thing first. You have to take this red dot and move it up. So what happens there is it opens the lens to the widest aperture possible. So now you can set your aperture, and if you set it right, however you want it, you have to press down here What this will do is it snaps the aperture to the right distance. So, what we have next? Back here we have a standard 42mm lens mount. What that means is you can take the lens. Oops, I'm sorry. You can take the lens and the camera and screw them together. There we go. So, the next thing to do is to attach this to the sniper. Okay, there we go. This is the sniper stick. You put the lens to the side, and now there we go. You have to align. Hope it's in focus. Should be. You align those two dots with those on the front, and then you now we're talking. Oh, okay. After a little bit of fiddling, we have it in, and it is really solid. Now last thing to do is to screw the screw on the back. That screws the camera as well to the sniper. And now we see what the sniper does. It pushes this lever here, and it pushes the camera. So, hope you can see that. You would look through there, focus here, then push this up, set your aperture, cock your shutter, and off you go. So guys, after a little bit of fiddling about with this thing, I now know how this works. The entire unit is really quite hefty, but if you have it in the right position to shoot, it feels really quite sturdy. You have your left arm up front, like on a real sniper, and there you scroll out and scroll in. That's your focus. Back here, as I've already told you, you have to set your... You have to pre-cock your lens. Therefore, it has the open, an open aperture for you to focus right. Then you set your aperture. You cock the shutter of your lens, of your camera. Then you pull the lever out and put it on the right timing. And then you put it on, you focus. And then what you have to do is you have two stages with this trigger. First stage releases the lens. You've heard that? That was the lens release. But now the shutter wasn't activated, so you have to pull through. and then the lens will, the camera will actually work. So you put it like that, you put it like that, you focus, you set your timing, and then boom, you press it through. And actually it really feels solid. You have a really nice thing in your hand. It is quite hefty, but it works. And how good it will work, you will see in my review that will come in the future. This lens, as I was told, should be a really beast. I will do a modification with this as well. I'm planning on modifying this thing back here to use it with my Sony A7 series of cameras, so that I really can use this Fotosniper to its full potential. This will be a modifying video in the future, so you will have to stay tuned a little bit because I'm waiting for parts. But for now I can say this is an amazing product. The lens should be one of the best 300mm available. And yes, I know it looks a little bit military, but I think we will get amazing pictures with this lens and with this Fotosniper. So thank you for watching, stay tuned.